This DropBot tutorial will go over manual droplet splitting using real-time mode, as well as the find liquid function. Let's get started. Splitting droplets with DMF is a powerful technique allowing users to dispense accurate reagent volumes in their assays. However, mastering the technique can take some time. We will go over how to manually dispense a single unit droplet and double unit droplet from a reservoir. First, load your liquid into a reservoir. You can see that I loaded mine in reservoir 9. Activate real-time mode, located in the left window. Once enabled, you can use your mouse to control the electrodes and by extension the droplets using the user interface window. You can see how the blue liquid takes on its characteristic U-shape when I enable reservoir 9. Turning on electrodes 10, 4, and 5 will position the droplet over those areas. You can either continue to move further inside the chip or begin your splitting step here. To dispense a single unit droplet, start by enabling electrode 5 and keep it on the entire time, as this is the electrode that will hold the dispensed droplet. Now, skip electrode 4 and turn on the next electrode in a straight line, which for me it would be number 10. This will start stretching the droplet. Sometimes you may need to enable the adjacent electrode first before you move on to the next one, as there may not be enough overlap to allow for movement across multiple electrodes. I can then go and turn on reservoir electrode 9 to pull the droplet further back and help complete the splitting step. Congratulations, you have successfully dispensed a droplet that you can now control independently in your DMF chip. If you want to dispense a double unit droplet, the technique is the same. Bring out your droplet where you want to split it. This time, make sure you keep 2 electrodes side by side actuated. I have electrodes 4 and 5 turned on. Turn off electrode 10 while turning on electrode 9 to complete the splitting step. If your droplet is struggling to split, there are a couple of things you can do to help. Usually, increasing the voltage by 5 or 10 volts may be good enough. You can also try turning on and off the electrode that is being used to pull back the liquid. You can also increase the distance between the electrode used to hold the droplet to be split and the electrode pulling away from it by moving on to the next available electrode. If that doesn't work, optimizing the surfactant concentration in your liquid might help with this. One neat feature in MicroDrop is the find liquid function. MicroDrop can detect the location of all the droplets on the DMF chip via capacitance readings. To do this, simply right-click on any of the electrode shapes in the device view window and select Find Liquid in the menu that shows up. You can see that a number of electrodes have been selected on my chip. When I turn on the camera feed to view the device in real time, you can see that MicroDrop correctly identified the locations of the blue water droplets. One thing to keep in mind is that if MicroDrop isn't accurately identifying the correct electrodes, try lowering the frequency from 10 kHz to 1 kHz. This adjustment improves the stability and robustness of the detection algorithm, ensuring more reliable capacitance readings. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more DropBot tips and tricks.